System Technology Services professional laptop and MacBook repair services. We offer a wide range of laptop and MacBook repair services, from quick and easy same-day repairs to expert support for more complex problems. Our team of experienced technicians can provide repairs for Apple Mac devices, including MacBook, MacBook Pro, MacBook Air, iMac, and iPad. We also offer SSD upgrades, data recovery, liquid damage repairs, screen replacements, and more. Whatever the issue, we have the service options and costs to meet your needs. Get in touch today for fast, reliable, cost-effective laptop and MacBook repair services. At System Technology Services Mac Repairs, we only use top-quality spare parts for our laptop and MacBook repairs. Our experienced technicians carefully assess the damage and select the best parts available to fit your needs. We understand the importance of having a reliable and efficient machine, which is why we always strive to provide our customers with the best service and parts available. Our service options include SSD upgrades, data recovery, liquid damage repair, screen replacements, and more. Get in touch with our friendly team to learn more about our repair costs and service options. System Technology Services. We guarantee all laptop and MacBook repair services, including Apple Mac, MacBook Pro, iMac, MacBook Air, Mac repair, laptop repairs, SSD upgrades, data recovery, and computer repairs. We offer same-day service, and all our repair costs are competitively priced. Our experienced technicians are experienced in liquid damage repairs, screen replacements, and much more, so you can rest assured that your device is in safe hands. Plus, all our service options are backed by a warranty so that you can rely on us for your peace of mind.